So, good day guys, I'm Daniel James Vincent and I'm here to present my video assignment in electrical hazards. So, the first question, discuss the electrical hazards classification and give example for each. So, the National Electrical Code classifies hazardous location in three ways: type, condition, and nature. There are three types of hazardous condition: Class 1, gas and vapor; Class 2, dust; and the Class 3, fibers and flyings. So in the Class 1 gas and vapors, Class 1 hazardous areas may contain flammable vapors or gases in quantities large to cause a fire or an explosion. So the groups are A to D, and these are the hazardous gases that can cause explosion. So in the group A, acetylene; then the group B, hydrogen; the group C, cyclopropane, ethyl ether; and the group D is acetone, butane, propane, hexane, natural gas, and fuel oil. Then for the class 2, which is the dust, then class 2 location, this classification is created by the presence of combustible dust in the air in sufficient quantities to be explosive or ignitable. So group E and G belongs to the class 2. So in the group E has an combustible metals, F carbonous materials including coal dust; then the group G, flour, starch, and the plastic. So in the class 3, which is fibers and flying, so class 3 and is classified as the area where ignitable fibers or flying may be manufactured, stored, or handled. So the example are cotton jeans, cotton seed mills, sawdust or flying pans, or textile mills. So for the next question is, discuss the combustion dust, fiber, and flying protection techniques employed in electrical installation. So combustible dust is defined as the solid material composed of distinct particles or piece regardless of size, shape, or chemical composition, which presents a fire or deflagration hazard when suspended in the air or some other oxidation medium. So combustible dust is an immaterial, finally divided solid particles that has the ability to disperse in air and catch fire and explosive when exposed to an ignition source. So combustible dust may include materials that are in physical state or powdered flakes, fines, fibers, and etc. Then source of such hazardous include gases, vapors, dust, fibers, and flyings, which are combustible or flammable. Electrical equipment installed in such location could provide an ignition source. Due to electrical arcing or high temperature, standards and regulation exist to identify such location, classify the hazards, and design equipment for safe use in such location. So that's all for this video.